Love your content, big dog. What do you think about wholesaling in markets that are in between a 50 to 100,000 population? I've been closing deals in smaller markets. Do you think it's sustainable? JD, I'm going to tell you the absolute truth. I'm not a guru, so I'm not going to give you some sugar-coated, like, fancy answer. I don't have the slick back hair. I'm not going to, I don't got the slick sales skills to tell you, but I'm going to tell you the truth. 50 to 100,000 population, you can easily make 100K a year in wholesaling there. JD, you can do it. It's not even a question. The real question is, human nature says you need more growth and you're going to constantly want more. So once you hit 100K, you might be thinking to yourself, or you might even hit it. Like, I don't know. You could be better wholesaling than me. I have no idea. But once you hit 100K, because I hit 100K, like when I was a bag boy, like, if I could make $100,000 per year, oh my, like my life would change drastically. Then what happens? You hit 100K and now you're like, man, if I could hit like $1 million a year, that'd be happy. And then you just, it's a never ending cycle, because that's how humans are. They constantly want growth. That's why we're always growing. So you're going to want more. So 50 to 100 is sustainable if you're okay making 100K. Most people aren't once they hit that level. So you're going to want to have to maybe just reach out to more markets. Right now, that's good for you until you start scaling up. Then you're probably going to get to other markets and start scaling up and up and up and more. That's why, like, we had some figures in Port St. Lucie, but like we kind of hit a limit how many wholesale deals we could do. So we started doing virtual stuff, more counties, more expanding. We started doing like Michigan, more of the Southeast, the Carolinas. We started expanding more and more, and it helped us a lot. So that's my personal opinion. 50 to 100, you can easily do it, but sustainable. Are you okay with only making a certain amount? Because 100K, there's only a certain amount of money you can make. Still, it's an amazing amount. You'll make more than most Americans.